let me tell you something that the nail industry does not want you to know. You do not need gel. You do not need acrylics. You do not need a salon appointment every 2 weeks to have nails that look expensive, feminine, and completely put together. You need a routine, a simple, consistent, at-home routine that takes about 15 minutes once a week, and the results will genuinely surprise you. Because the most elegant nails in any room are not always the longest or the most elaborately designed. They are the most cared for. And cared for, that's completely free. Let's get into it. Before we start the routine, let me tell you what you actually need, because I'm not going to send you buying a cart full of products. You need a nail file, glass or crystal if you can, because they're gentler on the nail edge. A cuticle pusher, the rubber-tipped ones are great for beginners. Cuticle oil, this is the one product worth actually investing in. Even a drugstore one works beautifully. A nail buffer, the four-sided kind that shapes, smooths, shines, and finishes. A good hand cream, and optionally, a clear or neutral nail polish for the finishing touch. That's it. Everything else is extra. Now let's build the routine. Step 1. Soak and soften. 2 minutes. Start by soaking your fingertips in warm water for 2 minutes. Add a few drops of olive oil or coconut oil to the water if you have it. It softens your cuticles and your skin simultaneously. This step is everything because it makes every step that follows easier, less painful, and more effective. Dry cuticles pushed back without soaking first leads to tearing and damage. Softened cuticles pushed back gently, clean, beautiful, expensive-looking nail beds every time. Step 2. Push back and clean your cuticles. 3 minutes. Pat your hands dry gently and immediately while your cuticles are still soft. Use your cuticle pusher to gently push the cuticle back toward the base of your nail. Work in small, gentle, circular motions. You're not digging, you are not cutting. Please do not cut your cuticles at home unless you are trained, because cutting leads to infection and damage. Just push, gently, consistently. This one step alone transforms the look of your nails dramatically. Pushed back, neat cuticles make your nail bed look longer, cleaner, and more elegant instantly. It is the step that separates nails that look done from nails that look neglected. Use a damp cotton bud to clean away any loosened skin or debris around the nail edge after pushing. Clean nail borders read as expensive every time. Step 3. File to your shape. 2 minutes. Dry your hands completely before filing. Filing wet nails causes splitting and weakens the nail structure. Choose your shape and be consistent. For the most universally elegant and expensive-looking nail, oval or soft square. Oval elongates the finger and looks feminine. Soft square is clean and modern. Both look polished and intentional on every hand. File in one direction only. Never saw back and forth. Back and forth filing creates micro tears in the nail edge that cause peeling and breaking over time. One direction, smooth, even strokes from the outer edge toward the center, both sides. Keep your nails at a consistent length across all fingers. Even short nails, truly short, barely there nails, look expensive when they are all the same length and shape. Inconsistency in length and shape is what reads as unkempt. Consistency is what reads as intentional. Step 4. Buff your nails. 2 minutes. This is the step that gives you that expensive-looking, natural shine that makes people assume you just left a salon. Your 4-sided buffer, each side does something different. Side 1 removes ridges and surface irregularities. Side 2 smooths the nail surface. Side 3 refines. Side 4 gives you the shine. Work through each side in order. The result is a nail that looks naturally glossy, smooth, and healthy, without a single coat of polish. This is what gel nails are mimicking, and you can achieve it naturally in 2 minutes with a $4 buffer. Buff once a week maximum. Overbuffing thins the nail and makes it weak and bendy. Once a week, that's it. Step 5. Cuticle oil every single day. Apply cuticle oil to every nail and massage it into the cuticle and the surrounding skin. This is your daily habit, not just part of the weekly routine. Cuticle oil keeps your cuticles soft, prevents hangnails, promotes healthy nail growth, and gives your nails that hydrated, cared-for look that is the hallmark of expensive hands. Apply it morning and night. Keep a bottle on your nightstand. Keep one in your bag. The more consistently you use it, the faster you will see the transformation in how your nails and hands look overall. This is the one product I will always advocate for because the results are so visible and so fast. Within 2 weeks of daily cuticle oil application, your nail area will look noticeably more healthy, more hydrated, and more elegant. Step 6. Hand cream, the finishing step. Massage a good hand cream into your hands, fingers, and cuticles. Work it in thoroughly, between your fingers, over your knuckles, all the way to your wrists. Dry, cracked, neglected hands undermine everything. Soft, moisturized hands with well-maintained nails communicate feminine elegance in a way that is quietly powerful and instantly noticeable. Keep hand cream everywhere, beside your sink, in your bag, on your desk. Every time you wash your hands, moisturize. This habit alone transforms how your hands look within weeks. The optional finishing touch, clear or nude polish. If you want to take your nails from naturally beautiful to genuinely salon level without gel, apply 1 coat of clear polish or a sheer nude over your buffed nails. Clear polish adds an extra layer of shine and protection. A sheer nude adds the tiniest hint of color that evens out your natural nail tone and looks clean, elegant, and expensive on every skin tone. 1 coat. Let it dry completely. No top coat needed over clear. It already is the top coat. And if you prefer to wear color, keep it simple. A classic red, a clean nude, a soft pink, a deep burgundy. Classic colors on well-maintained nails always read expensive. Trendy colors on neglected nails never do. The nail is the canvas. If the canvas is healthy and well-maintained, anything you put on it looks good. Your weekly routine written out simply. Once a week, 15 minutes total. Soak for 2 minutes, push cuticles back for 3 minutes, file to shape for 2 minutes, buff for 2 minutes, cuticle oil and hand cream to finish. Every day, cuticle oil morning and night, hand cream every time you wash your hands. That's the whole routine. That's what expensive nails look like in practice. Not a $200 set every 3 weeks, just 15 intentional minutes once a week and 2 minutes every day. Here's what I need you to remember. Expensive nails are not about length or gel or elaborate nail art. They are about consistency and care. Clean, shaped, buffed, moisturized, maintained. That's it. That's the whole secret. And now it's yours. Start this Sunday, 15 minutes, and watch how differently you feel looking down at your hands. Because when your nails look taken care of, you feel taken care of. And that feeling, that's the real expensive thing. Share this with a girlfriend who needs to put down the gel and pick up a nail file. And subscribe because we keep it short, real, and useful around here every single week. I'll see you in the next one.